I know a lot of you have already seen it on my Instagram, but since a lot of you also requested a detailed video, I am here and I am feeling so grateful and thankful for this opportunity. But the truth is, I have been manifesting it since so long. I really wanted to be part of something great, and I can finally. By the way, when this delivered it to me, it was written that it's heavier than a kg. Like, it's so heavy, guys. Let me get something so that I can just keep it here, maybe, so you can see it. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruby. Welcome to my channel. Let's dive straight into the video. It looked like this. I think this is a letter and it says, Welcome creator to the Nika Core Campus Ambassador Program. We are so happy to have you here. It already feels like this will be something special. I mean, yes, I am so ready for all the good vibes and so many things to create, and I cannot wait to share more things with you because I'll be having more access to all the exclusive things that I can finally be able to share it with you. And next up, we have some cute stickers. I mean, who doesn't love stickers? By the way, I just love this one. I moisturize more than I socialize. This is so amazing. Okay, we have this bag which says iconic shit only. Talk dewy to me. I'm gonna plan so many content and everything in this journal. I have this cap and it says Nika Core, hair's not hairing today. So yes, I mean, we all know we all have that kind of day. Pouch. In case of emergency, open and serve. Everything is so thoughtful. Here is the big box, guys. I mean, it's literally loaded. Grab your coffee because it's going to be pretty long. We'll try to show you the closet snippet here and there somewhere. Sheet mask, which I love. This one is Nika's green tea pore purifying. This one, I am tomato mask sheet. So this is from Tony Moly. Literally wanted to try this one since so long because I have heard so many good things about it. So yeah, finally we'll be able to try Thrive and Co hair serum. The bottle kind of look like this. Next we have again for hair care. This is Rosemary Rinse of Hair Mask. This is for advanced growth. This is Plum. I mean, Plum is one of my like favorite go-to-go skincare product. I mean, I love Plum. This is their Rise Water. So this has like 10% of niacinamide. Elegance Professional Hair Identifier Spray. So this is like, you can just shake, spray and shave. If you shave your hair, this will be for you because I personally shave my hair. So I think this will be amazing for me. I just cannot wait to try it like for myself. Okay, next up we got what we got here. Wish Cares sunscreen. I finally get to try this one. This, like, just look at this. This is Elf mini eyeshadow palette, and it's in the like it's a bite size eyeshadow and in the shade of pumpkin pie. And you guys know how much I love neutrals, how much I love almond cocoa makeup, and so this is going to be so amazing. I will try to put squashes here and there. Foxtail Stunner Skin Radiance Mask, purple in color. Wow, it smells like blueberry and I feel like it's a blueberry yogurt. I just want to eat it. Comment down below and let me know what mask do you use, or do you even use any mask or not. This is cleanser from Bioderma, intense purifying cleansing active foaming gel. If you have oily and acne prone skin, then you should definitely use this part of the box is going to be so amazing. I don't know from where to start, but let me show you one thing I spot. This CeraVe. This will be the first time I will use CeraVe. I have heard so many things about it. My friends at office, they literally use CeraVe's cleanser and everything. This is also a hydrating cleanser. So I think this will be better for my skin type. What do we got there? I'm so bad at unboxing. But I just don't want anyone else to unbox for me because I don't want them to take my satisfaction. I mean, just let me know if you ever feel the same, because I think I'm not alone, right? We are just girls. So next we have You know, the moment I open this, it smells like rose. This is Rose Glass Skin Mist. So this is basically a hydrating toner and you can use it as a makeup setting spray. And this is from Swarovski. Okay, let's just try it. Since it's a setting spray as well, so we have to give it a minute or two. I don't have any makeup underneath. I see Sugar Pop. It's a liner and that's a kajal. Nika literally knew that I am running out of my liner. I will be trying Sugar Pop for the first time. I actually need some water. Still have a lot of things. We have, oh my god, this is Street NX Hydrifying Gloss Mist. Just look at the packaging. After styling your hair or whatever, you can just spray it and it will give a glossier look to your hair. I have the Finishings Hairspray by B Blunt, but I have been wanting to use this and this is such a dream come true. We have this one thing. This is Streak Hair Highlighting Kit. It's a soft blonde. I don't know if I'll be able to use it. Again, Elegance Professionals 2 in 2 volume and bounce oil absorbent dry shampoo. So like, have you guys ever used dry shampoo? It is written here that this is safe for daily use. सब बोलते हैं you have nails, you can do this, you can do that. I mean, no, I cannot do that even if I have nails. First of all, this is extensions. Second of all, it hurts. And third, I don't want to mess up with my nails. This is the Bath and Care SPF 50 PA4 plus body spray shine and nourish. Wow, it's like Hello Guard. Blue light protection, water resistant, sweat proof, no white cast, for daily use, suits all skin type. Excuse me, like, just look at this. Oh, dry right here right now. This definitely smells so fresh, like I'm just out of the shower. You should definitely invest in sunscreen in form of spray or a mist because that really helps you to retouch up your body, and especially if you're on vacation and if you're going out, you need something handy over your makeup. RV Organic Underarm Roll-On. It has 5% AHA, 2% kojic acid, 1% mandelic acid, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. So I guess this roll-on has everything. Personally, I just love this roll-on, guys, because I already used this one. Perfect for everyday use. So yeah, that's a go on for me. I have been dying to open this one. You know, the moment when I opened this box, I saw this product. Plum Body Loving. Oh, so pistachio. Look at this perfume. It's definitely very strong. I would like to wear it as a day perfume. Nika's Wonderlust Swiss Vanilla, because I love vanilla and of course I have used this one already. It's always good to have vanilla perfumes and stuff. This is Nika's Moi. My god. I don't go much for jasmine, but it has the peony bloom, which is balancing it out. A Streak Shine Hair Serum. So I'm sure you might have used it. Finally, I get to try Nika's Wonderlust Dreaming of Paris, because
I'm not going to Paris right now, but I can just dream of Paris. Packaging is so cute. Everywhere it's, Eiffel Tower, and we have champagne glasses, we have macarons, we have so many touch of Paris. I'm not going to open this right now because I'm just going to hop into the shower and then I'm going to try it.
this is all left in the box. This is On the Fly Hair Finishing Stick. Tame your flyaways, and this is so good. Fix Derma Brightening Lip Balm. And you know, I love these kind of lip balms because this has SPF 50 plus. This has 4% kojic acid, great for brightening. Mila Beauty. Oh my god, I wanted to try this one. Got Glossy Peptide Lippy Indie Wild. This will be the first product I use from Indie Wild, and I have heard so many things about it. Dewy lip treatment. This has 2% vegan butter. Smells amazing. This is a lipstick from Sugar. Looks like the lip shade is perfect for me. Surprisingly, this smells amazing. Oh my god, we have this elf. This is elf glow reviver lip oil. This is crystal clear. Nika super light feather touch lipstick. This is in shade wispy. I mean, this is my go-to shade, guys. I love subtle nude colors. Okay, now these two. This is Maybelline's Super Stay Teddy Tint. This is in shade 20 mascara tear. That's amazing. This is their Another Wire product, and this is Maybelline Sunkissed blush. This is in shade 31 hot pink summer. So bright for me. I'm just using a little bit. Okay, yeah, no, it is not that bad. All empty. Really hope you enjoyed it, guys. So I will try and put down the links in the description box. So if you like any of these products, you can just click on that and you can get yours. Thank you so much for being here. If you like more of fashion, confidence, and personal growth, do not forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. I will see you in my next video. Bye.